Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken nugget cordon bleu.
Woot woot.
Alright, I'm starting out here in a saucepan. And I'm going to put in 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. It's going to be a real easy recipe, guys. I have 4 pounds of chicken nuggets over here that I baked almost to the directions on the package. I had to go an extra 10 minutes because it was 4 pounds. Now if your family's smaller, you can use a regular sized bag of chicken nuggets. Now I'm going to turn my heat up a little bit. And to this I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. And I'm going to gently start to warm this up. Alright, while my cream is warming up over here over medium-low heat, I put my chicken nuggets in a 9x13 baking pan. Now I have a ½ pound of deli ham that I cut into little pieces. This is pre-packaged stuff like Oscar Mayer or Hillshire Farms or whatever. I got that because that's really thin. You could go to your deli counter and have the guy that's working a slicer slice it thin for you, but you want it thin, you don't want it real thick. And I'm just spreading this out amongst the chicken nuggets. This is still cold. And guys, this recipe is one of my creations that I thought up, so hopefully it's going to turn out good. This is the first time I've ever made it. I actually just thought about it last week. Alright, now that my cream's starting to warm up, and I had to turn my temperature up just a little bit, I have a 5-ounce container of crumbled blue cheese. We're going to get that down under the cream. That's what's going to give us our cordon bleu. And I'm just going to stir that in to start to dissolve it. Alright, now that my cheese sauce has thickened, I'm going to go ahead and just pour this down over top of the nuggets and the ham. And while you're thickening up your cream and your cheese, you want to stay with it because you don't want it to scorch on you. And that would be really easy for that to happen. I just want to spread it all down over there. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back in that 425-degree oven that the nuggets had to bake at. Only for about 10 minutes or less, just so that ham warms through, because that isn't going to take long because it's so thin sliced. I'm going to put a little bit of parsley on top here right now for some color. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put that in the oven for 10 minutes. Alright, this is done. It only took 5 minutes. I don't want to let it there too long that our sauce would dry out or the ham would dry out. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright, let me get in here and give this a try. Take a piece of nugget. Get a little ham on there. We have that creamy, cheesy blue cheese sauce. It's really good, guys. Nuggets are tender. Taste the blue cheese. Cheese sauce is creamy. You get that ham. Really easy and really delicious. Alright, there you have it. Chicken nuggets cordon bleu. Give it a try. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.